In the last video we learned how resistors and capacitors together control timing. That's called RC timing. Today we're gonna make some noise using piezo buzzer. It's a simple part that will add sound to our circuit. And we will also use RC timing to make it beep only once at startup instead of screaming all the time. There are two main types of piezo buzzer: active buzzer and passive buzzer. Passive buzzer is only the piezo element. It needs an external signal like from microcontroller to make any sound. We will be using active piezo buzzer. It has a built-in generator, apply voltage and it makes sound immediately. Now let's connect it to our circuit. Let's place it here. Connection is straightforward. Just place red wire to the plus and black wire to the minus. Turn on. Yes, it's making noise. But it's really annoying when it beeps like that all the time. So we will make it beep only at startup, about few seconds. To do that we will take capacitor, about 15 microfarads, but it depends how long you wanna have sound, so you may put a little bit different size. I will place 15 microfarads. I will connect it down here because I wanna have empty space right here for later on. So I will place it somewhere here. Positive leg to the plus, like this, and negative leg here. Now we will take our MOSFET BS170 and we will connect gate to the capacitor and other two legs on the other side of the board, like this. Now I will take resistor 10K, and also this can be different if you wanna have other times. This is our RC timing. So this is our RC timing, so you can change how you like. And resistor I connect between the capacitor and MOSFET gate. Now we will connect our resistor to the ground, like this, and source from the MOSFET also to the ground. And now we will connect our piezo buzzer, red wire to the plus and black wire to the MOSFET drain, like this. And now we can turn on our circuit and you can hear short beep at the startup. It works nicely. Now let's see how our circuit works. Electrolytic capacitors have the property that when the voltage changes, they allow a small current to pass through. When we power on our device, the voltage shifts and the capacitor lets a small amount of current flow into the MOSFET gate. This tiny charge is enough to switch the MOSFET on. Once the voltage stabilizes, the capacitor stops conducting and the MOSFET gate begins to discharge to the resistor, to ground. When the gate is fully discharged, the buzzer stops buzzing. So that's the piezo buzzer, and with a little RC timing we can make it beep only once at startup. In the next video we will finally add 555 timer to make our LED blink automatically.